Hey everyone, this is CEO Trades with your market update. Today is March 11th. It is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, just a little after. And I just wanted to go over some of the stocks and some of the picks that I have had on my own portfolio. And I just want to remind you, I am not a licensed financial professional. I'm not able to invest your money. So whatever I give you is because that is what I am investing in. It's not my recommendation. It is my own investment opportunity. So here we go. NIO, N-I-O. NIO, I've been tracking since it was actually down to $31 a share. I couldn't invest in it because I had all my money tied up and a lot of these stocks dropped. And since that happened last week, it's been 1 week since that happened, I have made all my money back and I'm up in excess of $12,000. You can just see here on the right that this stock I'm up almost $3,600. I'm still in it. Why? Because I've alerted people I'm going to be in it until it goes anywhere from $60 to $80 a share, which can take 3 to 6 months. I might consider that next week because, why am I saying that next week? Because stimulus checks are coming out and these stocks might fly. They might fly. So NIO is one of those. Why? Why do I believe that? Because there's been 11% increase in the people looking into NIO. So that's why I'm in it. Right now, I could jump out and I'd be doing very well at $3,600. But I'm hoping to be able to catch at least another $10 a share, which would be another $10,000. Is that right? Yep, $7,000 extra in returns. Ford hit its high last night, or actually early this morning at 5:54 in the morning, 306, and then it retested 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1306. So it didn't break out. So actually 7 times with this one right here, which was last night at around 4:30. Now, what does that tell us? This stock is doing very well. I'm expecting Ford to go up to anywhere around $16 to $18 a share. It will be the first time that's happened in, geez, let's just look at the last 3 years, right? $13 a share. It hasn't happened in the last 3 years. This is the first time it's gone to 13. I'm expecting this stock to go up another 20 to 30%. It will depend on their news, which I'm still waiting for them to release news. Once that news comes out, it should be a no-brainer, right? Macy's has also been testing highs pretty much daily at around $17 a share. It's pretty good. It's still not pre-pandemic. As you can see, it was around 22 right now where I'm pointing at right here, 22. And then it was at its high, all-time high of $41.99 a share in the last 3 years. But I would say that more realistically, because we are in a different market, we are at all-time highs. This is where I cashed in back in January, 21.64, and it hit 22.30. I'm expecting it to go up anywhere between $20 and $23 a share. Will it hit? Will it not? I don't know. I already cashed in. If Macy's drops a bit, I will make a dip. I am hoping it does have a little bit of a drop tomorrow. That way I can jump in just before people start to get their stimulus checks. Because guess what? Most people will invest their money in retail or in tech stocks. And that's something we're going to talk about in a little while. So Macy's, JetBlue is another of my picks. I've been watching for a while. JetBlue is already at its highs in the last year. 2067, it hit yesterday. It hit its high. Now, is this stock going to go up? Again, as I said, I'm expecting them to announce news that they're going to be flying to London or somewhere in Europe. I'd say London, which they have new upgraded seats. They're saying new planes. It's probably a new plane that accommodate lie flat seats, which I've seen because when I flew to Austin, Texas, I got the privilege to fly in one of these planes. They look really nice, bigger screens, and the lie flat seats. Not too many of them to go around, but they're really good, especially for those customers who are in their mint class. That's right. So What now? Let's take a look at some of my other investments. AGTC, I am looking to jump in. My order did not get filled in today. I was hoping it would have gotten filled in. I requested to get filled in just below $5, but it never dropped. So that's pretty good. But you can see that on average in the last year, everything's above 546. Well, half of it is above 546, right? And then you see this that happened right here, this spike. I'm expecting it to go up again. This stock is rated at $14 a share, $14 a share. If it can hit 957, I will be happy, but I have not invested in it. I'm hoping for a dip buy tomorrow. That's one of the ones that I am watching. Another stock that I am invested in is FCell. FCell. FCell is fuel cell. These are the batteries for cars. Is this the top line company for providing batteries? No, it's not. However, this stock will hit somewhere in the higher 20s in the next few days, if not a little bit more than that. Why do I say that? I purchased down here around $14. I also purchased at $17, and I'm up on this stock quite a good amount. I'm pretty happy with it, but I'm still not at my goal. Why do I say that I'm attempting to wait until it reaches the 20s? It's because we had a premature drop in the market, and the market's catching up. Most of the stocks that dropped in the NASDAQ, not in the Dow. The Dow is having its all-time highs, just barely having its all-time highs. And FCell is one of these stocks that I believe will go up. Now, one other stock that also complements this is Ride. Ride is getting ready to release some type of electric vehicle pickup truck. It's at $17 a share. This didn't get filled for me today as well. And I'm looking to hopefully pick it up on a dip buy tomorrow. You can see $17 a share is way below more than half the year of where it's been trading. So guess what? This stock will hit anywhere in the 20s. I would say high 20s, anywhere from $25 to $30 a share, if not go above that. But we're pending their release of vehicles. They are going to be releasing vehicles anywhere from here to probably September for the new year, for the 2022 year. All right. So these are some of the stocks that I am watching. Let me see. Is there anything else that I missed? Apple. Apple. It's unbelievable that Apple is still way below what it's worth. It's at $121 a share. I expect this to hover into the high 130s, if not low 140s, even hit close to 145 by next week. Why? Because of the new tech gadgets that are supposed to release. As long as there's no extension or any of their gadgets being held back until a further date, we're good to go. But guess that aside from retail, people are going to be purchasing phones. So I expect this Apple stock to go up at least $10 to $20 a share. That's right, up to 140. That's my expectations for my own investments. So this is it for today. I also wanted to show you one of my investments in cryptocurrency. I'm invested in Doge. I'm invested in Ethereum. I'm invested in XRP. I also have Algorand, and I have some Bitcoin. I don't have a full Bitcoin. I have a partial Bitcoin. Why? Because I cashed in prematurely last year around this time. Last year when I saw it go up, I just said, let me take returns before it drops. And sure enough, that's when things got better and better for Bitcoin. But that happens. That's going to happen. But there will always be opportunities. Be patient when you're investing. Don't let your heart and your mind get the best of you. Patience is required in investing. If you have the patience, then you will most likely survive, and you will be able to withstand the storm as it comes. All right, just like what happened this past week, this storm. I hope that many of you listened to me and did not take your money out. If you did not take your money out, why don't you send me a message saying thank you? I didn't, I heard, I listen to you, and I maintain myself there. With Apple stock, it's still down, but I know this will go up. It will. See, at $121 a share, it's about 1/3 above the all year's lows, because it was low in March. You can see it went to $53 a share. Wish I would have purchased it back then. Now it'd be worth almost 3 times the amount. So opportunities are always available, but are you ready to jump on and take advantage of them? You see, the worst investment that you can make is absolutely no investment. So jump on the bandwagon and make small investments. And if you need to get a licensed financial expert, go ahead. But if not, until then, I'm letting you know how I invest my money so that you can learn and you can do it on your own as well. Have a great evening. This is CEO Trades, Dave Diaz, and until tomorrow.